So, good morning everyone. Today is 10th of April 2025. So, Wednesday. I am I want to go to beach today in the morning for 2 or 3 hours, but it is slightly raining and is bit gloomy. So then I thought of you know uh, taking a day pass, and go to Pearl Harbor and another beach. So now I am going to Dennis to have my breakfast. So Dennis is only 500-600 meters from my hostel. So I will go and have like bread toast and fries for my breakfast. So then I have to check out room around 11 o'clock. So I will just go back to my hostel, check out, take day pass, and then tour the city, entire Waikiki city, including Pearl Harbor beach. Let me see based on the timings, because I can come back to my hostel till 6 p.m. and 6:30, 6:45. Again, I want to start my from hostel to airport, because it will take 1 hour 15 minutes to airport. So my flight is at 10:10. So even if I reach like 8:15 to the airport, it's fine. You can see Dennis. So on my left. So this is Dennis. On first day also, 6th of April, I had lunch here, but I had fries and toast. So now in breakfast also I am going to have same thing, fries and toast. So that is, and on evenings only 3-4 options in vegetarian. So I am going to have them. So this is the road which goes to city, Waikiki city downtown. So it is, so all buildings, all hotels, big hotels, chains, supermarket, shopping malls. I took that bus number 42 from my hostel and came here. This is Pearl Harbor. So I came for a Pearl Harbor visit today. So it almost took like 1.5 hours, because every 300-400 meters is a bus stop. So now I am here at Pearl Harbor historic site. You can see US Japan attacking Pearl Harbor, and then US entering into World War II. So all these things they have mentioned here. So I am going to visit. So this is Pearl Harbor National Memorial. You can see USS Arizona Memorial, USS Oklahoma Memorial, USS Utah Memorial. So I was reading in the information board there. So it takes at least 2 hours to visit each memorial. So I don't have that much time. So I will just visit in 1 hour. So whatever I can, 1.5 hours. Then I go back to my hostel. This is Pearl Harbor historic sites. This is the place. So United States Navy, you can see the different memorials. This is the entrance. There is also parking, $7 fees, and there is a bag storage. We can't take bags inside, so we have to store here. So this is general public entrance. So this is inside Pearl Harbor site, historic site. So there's a tour for Arizona Memorial. So tickets and information, Pearl Harbor National Memorial. So there are different memorials and tours, museums.
Despite their losses, the Americans were ready.
This is the torpedoes. These are the torpedoes used by Japan to attack Pearl Harbor. This is a real torpedo. So these torpedoes, bombed USS submarines, vessels, and those vessels sunk into the ocean. This is the USS Arizona fleet. So it is still sunk in the ocean. We can go and visit by boat. So it will take 1 hour. From the brief history of World War II, how Japan attacked US and how Japan allies war against US, and how US attacked Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and finally Japan surrendering on September 2, 1945 at Tokyo Bay. You can see the picture signing by the Japanese army chief, and this is Hiroshima. So on August 1945, entirely damaged. This is Akagi ship, so which carried Japanese fighter bombers. So you can see depicts the Japanese aircraft carrier on the morning December 7, 1941. So on deck are 36 aircraft ready for takeoff. So this is about aircraft information. This is USS Arizona ship. So this ship was completely destroyed by Japanese bombers, and still we can see the sunken ship here in Pacific, here in the museum. So for that we have to take a boat and go there. The boats regularly taking people here from here this stop to that USS Arizona, like sunken ship. I have registered. I have to take boat at 1:30 p.m. but I don't have enough time. So because I have to go back to hostel. So I don't know how much time to take there and how much time to come back. So there might be a queue again to come back. So I don't want to take any risk. I can see this Arizona USS Arizona from here, from far. So you can see that boat is going in the ferry. So it is taking like maybe 100 people at a time. So there is a big queue. So we have to register with our phone number. So and then one message code will come. So based on the code we have to wait till our turn comes. So for me it was, they told it is 1:30 p.m. but now I am not going there. Now it is 1:35 p.m. So you can see that boat almost reached that USS Arizona fleet. So I will try to zoom it. So that is the USS Arizona fleet. Just we can go and see sunken ship. So that is the only thing there. So this is all Pearl Harbor. It's a big island. So you can also see big towers there. So Navy station is here. You can see different museums there. So people going into the museums and they are just reading or written in the in the museum, photographs, videos. So I was also watching one video so about how Japan damaged entire USS fleet, and how many soldiers, Navy people they have killed. So all those things. So it brought US into Second World War and ultimately dropping bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So that ended World War II and Japan has surrendered to US. And till now Japan is saying peace, peace. Now I came to bus stop. I'm waiting for the bus going towards city. 42 is direct. So 20 is goes, but it goes by airport. So if 42 comes, I will take it. Otherwise, I will go to 20. So I can also see there at the bus number 42. So it will take at least 1 hour 10 minutes to reach my hostel. In between, I will try to get down at the Indian restaurant, have my lunch, and go. I came to again this Indian restaurant, Namaste, Indian and Nepalese cuisine, to have my lunch and to take some food. Namaste, India. I can't see anyone inside, so this is totally free today. I had only spring rolls for lunch. Just it is only $7.75, and now I came back to bus stop to catch a bus 42 or 20. Aiming this bus to my hostel, bus number 20. So this now again goes to airport for stopping for some time at the last. It is 3:45 p.m. Not enough sunshine. It is cloudy, gloomy, but still people are enjoying in the beach, in the waters. So this is my last visit to Waikiki Beach. So now I have to leave around 6 o'clock, 6:30 to airport to catch my flight to San Francisco.